Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how you can add outline to your text in Google Docs. So this is how it looks. You can see we have this black outline around the text, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So firstly I will remove this, and this is my text which I want to outline. So firstly you want to select the part of your text you want to outline. After that you can right click and you can manually click on this cut icon. So this is going to remove it from your page and also copy. Or you can press this shortcut. And then you want to go to Insert, Drawing, New. And here you want to select Actions, then Word Art. And here you're gonna paste your text, so Ctrl V or Command V. After that you can press Enter to confirm. And this is going to give you this text which you can customize. So here you can see border color. So you can keep it on black or you can change it however you want. Then you can change the thickness of the outline. So we can make this maybe 3. And I'm gonna change infill color to green. Then I'm gonna click on Save and Close. And now you have text with the outline. Now, if you want to move this around your document, you want to click on it and you want to select one of those options. So I would go with the in front of the text, then here where it says move with the text, I'm gonna click on fixed position on page. So now it's not going to like move with the text, and you can freely move this anywhere you want. And that's basically how you can outline the text in Google Docs. You can also later edit it if you want. Just click on edit drawing and you can customize it. You can change the border color. And that's basically it. This is the only way how you can add outline to your text in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.